everyone! Welcome back to the channel. We're about to break down one of the trickiest yet most important areas to design: bathroom layouts. A well-planned bathroom isn't just about looking good. It's all about functionality, maximizing space, and making sure it's a place that's easy to use every single day. But let's be real. Getting the bathroom layout just right can be tough. Without proper planning, you can run into issues like awkward spacing, insufficient storage, bad lighting, and even plumbing headaches. But don't worry, we've got a solution. Foyr Neo takes all the guesswork out of bathroom design. Whether you're a pro or just looking to design your own bathroom at home, Foyr Neo allows you to visualize your space and make changes before committing to anything. Let's walk through some common bathroom design mistakes and see how Foyr Neo's powerful features can help you avoid them. Mistake number 1. Poor use of space. A bathroom can feel cramped if not designed well. One common mistake is not making the most out of your available space. Foyr Neo's intuitive interface lets you easily drag and drop bathroom essentials like sinks, bathtubs, and shower units into your layout. It comes with a massive library of real-world bathroom models and decor, from vanities and mirrors to towel racks and lighting. No matter if you're designing a small bathroom or a lavish spa-inspired retreat, you can easily try out different layouts to make the best use of your space. Mistake number 2. Lack of proper lighting. Lighting is crucial in a bathroom, but it's often overlooked. Bad lighting can make your bathroom feel smaller or less inviting. Foyr Neo's extensive selection of lighting fixtures lets you simulate the perfect lighting setup, from task lighting around mirrors to ambient lights for relaxation. You can adjust brightness and position of lights to create the perfect bathroom atmosphere, ensuring you have just the right lighting for all your needs. Mistake number 3. Ignoring plumbing and electrical layout. We've all been there, designing a beautiful bathroom only to realize the plumbing or electrical outlets aren't in the right spots. Foyr Neo makes this much easier. It allows you to integrate plumbing lines and electrical outlets directly into your design, so you can visualize where everything should be placed. Foyr Neo's tools simplify planning plumbing and electrical layouts, ensuring smooth installations for features like shower heads, towel warmers, and heated flooring. Mistake number 4. Skipping storage planning. We all need storage in a bathroom, yet it's easy to underestimate how much we need. With Foyr Neo, you can access a wide range of storage options like cabinets, shelves, and under-sink units to seamlessly integrate into your design. With its 3D design feature, you can see exactly where to place additional storage without crowding the space, ensuring there's plenty of room for towels, toiletries, and other essentials. Mistake number 5. Not considering the flow. The flow of the space is critical in any bathroom. Having your sink too far from your shower or your toilet blocking the door can make the space feel awkward. Foyr Neo's real-time 3D visualization lets you check the flow of your layout instantly. You can easily rearrange the elements of your bathroom, from the position of the toilet to the shower's entry, ensuring there's a smooth and functional flow that enhances your bathroom experience. Mistake number 6. Not seeing the design before it's built. One of the most nerve-wracking parts of bathroom design is making decisions without really knowing what the final space will look like. Foyr Neo's 3D renders solve this problem. You can get photorealistic renderings of your bathroom design that give you a clear idea of how it will look once everything is in place. With these renders, you can visualize your layout, materials, colors, and lighting all in one place, helping you make more informed decisions before committing to your design. Why Foyr Neo? What truly sets Foyr Neo apart is not only its ease of use but the sheer variety and quality of models available. Foyr Neo's library offers a wide range of bathroom fixtures and decor, from classic bathtubs to sleek modern vanities, helping you bring your design vision to life. You can add everything from faucets and lighting to wall finishes and accessories, creating the perfect bathroom with no compromises. Plus, with Foyr Neo's drag-and-drop feature, you don't have to worry about the technicalities of bathroom planning. You can focus purely on the design, leaving the technical details to the software. Foyr Neo makes it easy to adjust layouts and try out various color schemes and materials with just a few clicks. So if you're ready to design a bathroom that combines style and function, Foyr Neo is the tool for you. It's your one-stop solution for designing bathrooms that work before you even start construction. The link is in the description to try it for free for 14 days. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments. What's the first thing you'd change in your bathroom layout?